Welcome back. Since the last video, I have filled out more information here as my other YouTube video was uploading. I included some more pictures and some more insight about these details. Now it's time for us to write our paraphrased paragraph. Okay, we're going to use the information above to help us formulate this paragraph. Here we go. I'm going to start off with Robin McLaurin Williams was a famous actor and comedian who was born on July 21st, 1951 in the bustling city of Chicago, Illinois. Famous. Okay, done. Now, moving on. That is my topic sentence. It's going to tell you what this paragraph is going to be about, which is obviously Robin Williams. If I wanted to, I could go back up here and strike through information, format text, strike through. I can do that just so I know that I've used that information and I don't repeat myself throughout my paragraph. That is another tip that you can use. Moving on. He was most known for his ability to make up jokes on the spot during his stand-up comedy acts. Throughout his educational career, he attended a few colleges, but the one that is the most important is, what was it called? Juilliard School. Juilliard School of Performing Arts in New York City. Okay, great. Now, just to expand on that, I'm going to talk about the acceptance rate, etc. with an extremely low rate. An extremely slow acceptance rate. Williams to the school showcases his unique talent. While attending this school, Williams what did he, I want to talk about his roommate. So Williams actually was roommates with Christopher Reeve. Is that who it was? Christopher Reeve. Great. All right. Now, what am I going to talk about next? Done. I'm going to move into his early career now. So, I've already used the word Williams many times through here, so I'm just going to start this sentence with he. Where will I start? He worked on many TV shows, and he played a character named Mork on a show called Happy Days. This led Williams to have his very own show. Move into his achievements, which I've kind of already started with. During his career, he was awarded I would say he was given an Academy Award for his performances. Okay, slowly getting there. Let's see. Williams was also known to be one of America's funniest performers. He was a household name. Everyone. Well, maybe I should. I don't want to generalize too much. That most people knew. Okay. All right. Unfortunately, Robin Williams passed away at the age of 63 years old on August 11, 2014. He was struggling with mental health concerns at the time. Now, to come up with my concluding sentence. Williams will be greatly missed, and his contributions to the entertainment world will always live on and be remembered by those who loved him. Done. All right. There it is. Additional period he attended. Yes, we want to make sure we have our grammar being okay. Again, indent. Done. Now it looks like a paragraph. That is what I'm expecting you to do. So come up with your own ideas. Don't use the exact same words. And this is how we paraphrase information.